So, manako og prito. Ate ay. So, kaganina, dara dahil nang muha ko og mga, muna mo ang alugbati, nara siya sa kilid. So, manguha ako alugbati para isagol sa ko ang tinapa. So, since humanaman taong luto, sa ato ang corned beef. So, para mas mulami siya, butangan na to ani. So, sa last na siya ibutang. Diba? Para bongga. So, naggisa na ta. Kani. Naman na to og gisa. Slow fire lang ta. Kaya naaman tayo sobra na itlog. Kaganiha. So, muna siya itong gi-mix din kunya. So, muna ni siya. Dali ra kaayo. Wala ra dyan. 10 minutes. Makita na ba? Makita ba niyo? Ayan. So, kompleto na siya no, na ay color na green. So, mag-plating na ta. So, diri yun nidaugod sa plating, no? Para bongga ang ato ang mga preparation.
She's heading for a new start with a Bible by her side.
Okay, so
Among the traffic
mag-plating.
were luxury steamboats. The remains now lie rusting along the banks.
So, ang typical na Pilipino ka, dili na kailangan og serving dish. So, kanina jud ang ulo sa
In many
rice
ways, the
cooker
Congo
ang
has
atong
gone back in time. It takes just 4 or 5 hours driving through the forest.
So, para bongga ang ato ang sudan. Ito na siyang arrange.
This is Buyanga village. This pygmy ritual is to wish them good fortune, hunting in the forest. And we are going with them. They're looking for wildlife and useful plants along the way.
So, kani, parang just sa miming unya.
They block animal holes and use smoke to force them out.
Para bongga ang atong range.
But a century ago, King Leopold discovered there was something in the forest worth a huge amount of money. Rubber. This white sap from the wild rubber vines could be collected and made into tires for bicycles and then cars. But before rubber plantations industrialized the process, this was the only source.
So,
Deep in
naka
the
siya.
forest.
Wait lang,
So
napatay
the
ilugang.
pygmies were made to collect it. But an even more brutal punishment.
So, natin additional dish sa ato ang
Some of those who didn't collect enough rubber
dinner. Wala lang.
Up to 10 million people died under the
Kung
regime.
pinsan na maligya mo siyang itlog.
And early photographs
Sayang
of
mong food.
atrocities
Pero ano siya, kanang
led to the
Penoy.
world's first international human rights campaign.
So, pag Penoy,
It hastened the
andun
end
na
of
siya
colonial
kanang
rule,
bungagon.
but its personal colony, which had made it
Siya
rich,
pwede
was handed
i-tortillas.
over to Belgium in 1908, only for exploitation and brutality
mga-
to continue.
Pero lahi po itong balot. Kaya ang balot na aman
Until
to yung
1960,
kung ano.
even though there was little free about it for the Congolese. With independence came retribution and a great white flight from the country. Many Belgians left. The Congolese were handed a place rich with natural resources, but without the knowledge and training to use them. Such was the colonial style that few people were qualified doctors. Their plantations growing trees, determining the charcoal and fed the wind. And under the effort to generate electricity from biomass.
So kada human jud na to gamit sa atong mga utensils, ato jud ay yung
And using these new trees to create a sustainable source
kung
of
ano
income.
ugasan.
It's the usual balance between conservation and economic growth. And it's a
So naana no? Mana ang ato ang pagkaon. There. So dara atong finished product. So mao ni ato ang dinner. Good for 2 person na siya no mga higala. So naatay beef loaf covered with egg. Naatay penoy ug ato ang tinapa with tausi. So mao lang to siya mga higala. So till next time or I think tomorrow na napod tayo bagong recipe sa atong tinapa. Usaw na to ni siya pagpalami na dili ta ma
History has a habit
Maun sa
of
to, mga sakit to lang tiyan. Mora to. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ciao!
equally